Your laptop is giving you headaches with the hibernating stuck problem, worry not. Join us in this troubleshooting guide where we walk you through easy and effective solutions to get your laptop back up and running. From tweaking power settings to addressing potential software conflicts, we have got you covered. Watch now and say goodbye to hibernation voice with these quick fixes. To fix a laptop stuck in hibernation, Step 1. Press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds to force a shutdown. Step 2. Disconnect the laptop from any power source and remove the battery if possible. Step 3. Wait for a few minutes and then reconnect the battery or power source. Step 4. Power on the laptop and check if it's start normally. Step 5. If the issue persists, boot into safe mode and restart the laptop. Step 6. Update your graphics and chipset drivers. Step 7. Adjust power settings to prevent hibernation issues. Step 8. Run a disk check for any potential disk errors. Step 9. Check for malware using your antivirus software. Step 10. If the problem continues, consider a system restore to a point before the issue occurred. Step 11. As a last resort, perform a system reset or reinstall the operating system.